Common Mistakes in English, Lesson 3.
Sometimes students make mistakes with usage, not form. That means they're saying everything correctly, but the structures aren't right for the situation. They're not appropriate. In this lesson, we're going to talk about making requests. And we're going to make sure that you choose the right requests for the given situation.
Topic: Requests. Objective: to make appropriate requests. Appropriate is an adjective. It means well chosen for a specific situation or suitable for a certain purpose. What is a request? When we make a request, we are asking others to perform an action. This is different from telling them. We can tell people to do something by using commands, instructions, and directions. These are different from requests. So isn't it better to be polite and always ask people to do something rather than tell them what to do? And aren't all requests polite? No. How you ask them and how you tell them can be polite or rude. You need to understand when commands, instructions, and directions are appropriate and when it's better to make a request.
I'd like to demonstrate my point and show you that it's not always what you say, but how you say it that can be rude or polite.
Let's start with a command.
I'm going to say it two different ways. Listen to the difference. Go home. Go home. The first way could be said to a person who came to a party of mine uninvited. Now they're behaving badly and I want this person out of my house. I say, go home. The second way could be said to a coworker who's at the office very late, working long hours, and I'm worried about this person's health. I think they should go home and rest. So I say, go home. Hear the difference? Okay, now let's take a request. We'll use the question, will you please open the door? Listen to the two different ways. First way, will you please open the door? Second way, will you please open the door? The first way could be said to, let's say, a family member. Your brother, your sister is standing near the door. They see you with lots of bags, and they're just looking at you. Maybe they're being funny, maybe they're being lazy. Either way, it annoys you. So you say, will you please open the door? The second way, you could say to a stranger, you still have the heavy bags and you can't open the door easily. You need some help. You want to ask the stranger to assist you. You say, will you please open the door? Get the difference?
Telling people to perform an action. Most often, we use the imperative to give commands, instructions, and directions. Let's recall what the imperative is. To form it, use the base verb. For example, go, stop, help me. Use do not plus the base verb to make a negative imperative. For example, do not drive fast, don't lie. The imperative is appropriate for these purposes, giving commands. For example, in the army you might hear, stand up straight, march, give me 50 push-ups. Giving instructions. For example, step to the right, bring your feet together. Step forward like this, now turn to the left. Don't watch your feet. Giving directions. For example, go straight for 2 miles. Turn at the traffic light. Make a left onto Elm Street. Don't park on the street. If you want to ask people to perform an action, you can soften the imperative with please. For example, please listen. Sing a song, please. Please don't leave. This turns commands into requests.
Let's pause for an exercise.
Comprehension check 1. Choose the correct answer. Example. Which is a command? Please leave. Stop. Put in 1 cup of sugar. Answer. B. Stop. Number 1. Which is a direction? A. Don't do that. B. Please calm down. C. Turn right on Beacon Street. Answer. C. Number 2. Which is a request? A. Please speak more slowly. B. Come home right now. C. Keep your back straight when you dance. Answer. A. Number 3. Which is an instruction? A. Don't follow me. B. Insert the CD here. C. Please explain this to me. Answer. B.
That's the end of part 1. Be sure to check out parts 2 and 3.